Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our next chapter of history, development of civilization. In this module we are going to study about new craft in city, town planning and building, drainage system and life in city, weight and measures, art of writing and religion, the end of Harappa civilization. Starting with town planning and building, cities were divided into two parts. Citadel, it was one on the west of the city and smaller in area. The Great Bath, storehouses or the granaries, assembly or town hall, fire altars. Second is Lower Town. It was on the east of the city and larger in area but lower than Citadel. It was surrounded by the high walls to protect it from flood. Now, drainage system. Harappan people had an excellent and well-planned drainage system. The drains in house were connected to the street drains, the smaller drains into the bigger ones. The street drains run along the street and covered streets. The main streets were over 800 meter long and 10 meter wide. The streets cut each other in at right angles. Next, life in city. They planned the construction of special building of the cities. Craft persons, they made all kind of things either in their own house or in the workshop. Scribes, they helped in preparing the seals and perhaps wrote on the material that has not survived. Merchants and traders, they engaged in trading goods from one place to another. Now we will discuss on new craft in cities, weight and measures. The weight usually made of stone was known as chat. They were cubical in shape with no marks on it. Metal scale pans was used to measure the things or object. Pottery. Pottery was also a popular industry. The pots were baked, glazed and decorated. Seals. The seals of Mesopotamian civilization excavated from Indus cities and remains of the dockyard discovered at Lothal in Gujarat prove that the people of Indus Valley had trade relations with Mesopotamia, Egypt and other countries. Spinning and weaving. The cultivation of cotton encouraged textile industry and the people became expert in the art of spinning and weaving. Toy making. The people of Indus Valley were also expert in making terracotta toys and sculptures of animals. Now, art of writing. The Harappan people knew how to write. Harappan script is pictographic. Religion. The Harappan people believed in some sort of image worship. They worshipped the mother goddess who represented fertility. Now, the end of Harappan civilization. This civilization began to end around 3900 years ago. Regions of migration. Some scholars suggest that the river dried up. There may have been flood in some areas. Deforestation, grazing by large herds of cattle may have destroyed the green cover. That's all for this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.